the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I wanted to do a more fun hair tutorial for you guys. I got so many compliments the other day on my photo and my TikTok on how I got this hair. What did I do? It looks so good. And not only did it make me feel good about myself, but if it not only made me feel good, I wanted to make you guys feel beautiful and just as good as well. So I want to share what I did to get my hair this gorgeous kind of lion-like curly hair. So if you want to go ahead and stick around and find out how to get this curly hair, then please keep watching. To start out this hair tutorial, you're going to want to take your brush and brush out all of that hair. Once you've brushed it all out, you're going to want to section it into layers and start off with that first layer. You're going to start curling. Side note, please excuse my shiny face. My skin medication that I'm on for my acne causes a lot of dryness to my skin, so I just like to slap on Vaseline all over just to help with the dryness, so that is why I'm really shiny, so just ignore. Anyways, so I like to go in with my bubble wand, and I like how this gives the curls a really tight and bouncy feel and look to it. So I just go ahead and wrap that hair piece around the wand, and then I hold for 10 to 15 seconds, and then I just drop it, and you end up with something really bouncy and luscious. So again, wrap that hair around the wand, hold for a couple of seconds, and then go ahead and drop that piece, and then you'll end up with something really bouncy. So I like to go away from my face, and I just keep doing this throughout the entire process. Moving on to that second layer of hair, you're going to want to tie up the rest so it's not in your face and it doesn't get in the way. Now that you've brushed out your second layer, go in with your wand and just start doing the same exact process. Me personally, I just went forward towards my face on a few pieces just to experiment, but I actually do like going backwards a lot more away from my face. So a couple of pieces are towards my face and then most pieces are away. So this section doesn't really matter as much, but just go ahead and follow the same process. All of the curls are going to be tight and bouncy anyway, so just make sure you like them the way they're going, and if you don't, you can always go ahead and fix that. When you get to that top section, I like to make these the most dramatic pieces. I like to curl away from my face and get as close to the top of my head as I can, and then I drop that curl, and then it usually is super tight and super bouncy. I feel when you get as close as you can to the root of that hair, it definitely gives it the really Carrie Bradshaw type of vibes that you're trying to go for, or just that tight, super bouncy look. So go ahead, hold that curl for 10 to 15 seconds, drop it, and then you have beautiful, luscious curls. My favorite part is doing that very last piece, and look how gorgeous this turnout is. Hold for the 10 to 15 seconds. and then drop that curl, and you have a beautiful hair. After this, I like to fix any pieces that might be flat or I didn't really like the direction they were going in. This is really easy to do just because the bubble wand really changes the whole vibe of that curl, so it's very easy to go in and fix. Right here, I'm fixing a loose curl that I wasn't happy with, and then I just do that all over my hair. And then once you're happy with the final look, I like to take my fingers and then brush out all those curls just so they're not as piecey, and then I'll be right back so you guys can see the final look. Hey everyone, so this is the final look for today's hair tutorial. This is giving me such Carrie vibes from Sex and the City, and also like Christina Aguilera vibes as well. Also, if you want to like fix up some pieces and make them a little bit more curlier, which I did in my more recent photo, that is exactly what I did, so you can go ahead and do that as well and just give it a little bit more of that curly look. And the great thing about this look is you can like wear it for like 3 or 4 days. Maybe not 4, but definitely 3 days, and just put some dry shampoo in there and no one's gonna know. So you can definitely make this wearable for a couple days and just touch up your curls as the days go by, and no one will ever know. So if you guys like this hair tutorial, remember to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. I would love to know if you did this hairstyle or plan to do it for Valentine's Day or just whenever. It is so adorable and I would love to know how it worked out for you. And give this video a thumbs up as well.